Hey everyone, I am Rahul Agarwal here. Imagine you are buying a helmet. Would you pick the one just because it looks good, or would you check if it has an ISI certification for safety? Certification are not just labels. They ensure quality, reliability and safety. In the forging industry, ISO, ASTM, AS9100 and IATF 16949 plays a crucial role in maintaining high quality standards for critical components. But how do these certifications impact your forging quality? That's exactly what we will cover today. So let's dive in. Number 1. ISO 9001, the foundation of quality. Would you trust a company that has no quality checks? ISO 9001 sets the basic framework for quality management systems, ensures that processes are standardized, documented and continuously improved. A forging supplier with ISO 9001 follows consistent quality checks and strict process control. Impact on forging quality: reduces defects, improves consistency and ensures traceability. Would you buy a smartphone from a brand with no quality standards? Then why trust a forging supplier without ISO 9001? Number 2. ASTM standard, ensuring material quality. Ever check the BIS or FSSAI mark on packaged food? It ensures the product meets set safety and quality standards. ASTM sets the material composition and performance requirement for forged metals, defines chemical composition, mechanical properties and testing methods. Different industry use different ASTM standards to match application needs. Impact on forging quality: ensures the right raw material selection, avoiding premature failures. Would you risk using unverified steel for a high stress application? No. Quiz time: which certification ensures the chemical composition of forging materials? A. ISO 9001. B. ASTM standards. C. IATF 16949. Drop your answers in the comments below. Number 3. AS9100, the gold standard for aerospace. Would you board a flight if you knew its engine components were not tested for safety? AS9100 is an aerospace specific extension of ISO 9001. Covers risk management, traceability and strict process control. Mandates higher inspection levels and failure analysis. Impact on forging quality: it ensures zero defects for critical aerospace parts like turbine blades and landing gears. Would you take a flight if its parts were made by an uncertified supplier? Number 4. IATF 16949, automotive quality perfection. Imagine buying a car and brakes fail within a month. Is it scary? Right. IATF 16949 ensures precision, durability and traceability for automotive components. Requires strict defect prevention, continuous improvement and waste reduction. Ensures that forged auto parts meet international safety regulations. Impact on forging quality: it reduces failure rates and improves safety critical components like crankshafts and axles. Would you buy a car from a brand with no safety standards? Number 5. Traceability and compliance, the unseen backbone. Ever ordered food and wanted to track where it came from? These certifications require batch numbering, testing documentation and full traceability. If a defect is found, suppliers can trace it back to the exact raw material batch. In case of recalls, traceability helps pinpoint faulty components and prevent widespread failures. Impact on forging quality: it ensures accountability, transparency, and better risk management. Now, wait, just knowing about these certification is not enough. How do you verify if a supplier truly follows these industry standards? That's what I will cover in my next video. So make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Certification are not just formalities, they directly impact the quality and safety of forged components. Let's recap how they improve forging quality. ISO 9001, standardized quality processes. ASTM ensures raw material meets set standards. AS9100, essential for aerospace grade safety. IATF 16949, automotive industry top quality benchmark. Traceability and compliance ensures defect tracking and accountability. Which certification do you think is most important? Drop a comment below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more experts insights. See you in the next video. Thank you.